Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Imagine this. You walk into a place where everyone is speaking Arabic. You hear the sounds, the rhythm, the flow, and someone turns to you, smiles, and says something. And in that moment, you wish you could respond. Not perfectly, not fluently, just enough to connect. Because that's what language really is. Connection. And today, you're going to take your very first step. Slowly, clearly, confidently. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself in Arabic in a natural, simple, and respectful way. Take your time. Repeat after me. Let's begin. In Arabic, there are different ways to say hello, but the most common one is Assalamu alaikum. It means, peace be upon you. Let's say it slowly. Assalamu alaikum. Again. Assalamu alaikum. Good. And the response is, Wa alaikum assalam, which means, and peace be upon you too. Let's try it. Wa alaikum assalam. Again. Wa alaikum assalam. Excellent. To say, my name is, you say, Ismi. Let's break it down. Ismi. Now add your name. Ismi. Again. Ismi. Perfect. Example. Ismi Ahmed. Ismi Sarah. You can also say, Ana Ismi, which means, my name is. Let's try it. Ana Ismi. Again. Ana Ismi. Very good. To ask, what is your name, you say, Ma Ismuk. Let's go slowly. Ma Ismuk. Again. Ma Ismuk. Good. If you're speaking to a female, you say, Ma ismuki. Let's try it. Ma ismuki. Excellent. After introductions, we say, Sharaft, which means, nice to meet you. Let's say it. Sharaft. Again. Sharaft. You might also hear, Tasharrafna. Same idea. Polite and friendly. To say, I am from, you say, Ana min. Let's repeat. Ana min. Now add your country. Ana min. Example. Ana min Amerika. Ana min Misr. To ask, where are you from, you say, Min aina anta. For a male, min aina anti. For a female. Let's try the first one. Min aina anta. Again. Min aina anta. Now the second. Min aina anti. Excellent. To say your age, you can say Omri sana, which means my age is years. Let's try it. Omri sana. Again. Omri sana. Good. Now let's build a full introduction. Listen first, then repeat. Assalamu alaikum. Ana ismi. Ana min. Omri sana. Sharaft. Now you try. Take it slowly. Assalamu alaikum. Ana ismi. Ana min. Omri sana. Sharaft. Again, more smoothly this time. Assalamu alaikum. Ana ismi. Ana min. عمري سنة. شرفت. Excellent. Arabic has a rhythm, a flow. Don't rush the words. Let them breathe. Focus on pronunciation, but don't chase perfection. Confidence matters more than perfection. And most importantly, practice out loud. Because speaking is how you learn, not just listening. Even a few minutes a day makes a difference. Today, you've taken your first step into Arabic. You've learned how to greet, introduce yourself, and connect. And that matters. Because every language starts with simple words, simple phrases, repeated consistently. So don't stop here. Practice, repeat, use these phrases. Because the more you use them, the more natural they become. And before you know it, you won't just be learning Arabic, you'll be speaking it.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.